you can freeze it.
Oh yeah. So we just came on the biggest mushroom ever, and it's chicken of the woods. It's fresh because it's been raining for the past 10 days or so. This is insane, and looks like this tree is what a red oak. It fell, and it's so beautiful too. Look, it's like this, so it's really fresh, and I just broke this piece.
The ones over here are fresher than the ones on that tree there.
Yeah.
On that piece.
Yeah, here's, oh my God, look at this.
This is fresher, I think.
Oh my God. This is gonna be really good too.
You gotta share this to like everybody, seriously. Like, you gotta put it on YouTube or something.
Oh yeah.
But don't tell people where it is though. This looks good, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Which looks freshest?
Any of them.
I took, you know, some of them. I'm just trying to get the freshest one.
This is crazy. See, I'll cut this piece off.